Hello guys, how are you? I have question 34. The question says, study the opposite circuit and answer the question. First, in A, they need the total current in the circuit. Okay? In order to find the current, okay, since here I have an internal resistance and external resistance, I have the formula current equal to electromotive force over external plus internal. So the internal resistance, I have it 0.4 ohm, but the external is the total of all these. Okay, so first of all, I need to find the external resistance, right? So let's start. I will choose, okay, this color, good. Now, please notice with me that the 3 ohm and 4 ohm, they are in series. So the total of them is 7 ohm, right? Now, the 7 ohm and 7 ohm here, they are in parallel. So if I want to find the total of them, I'll put it here, are equal. Of course, here I will write 3 plus 4 equal to 7, okay? Now here I have 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7 power negative 1. I will have 3.5 ohm. Now all these 3.5, right? Now the 3.5 with the 10 are connected in series, right? So our total is going to be 3.5 plus 10, which equals 13.5. Now let's apply the formula for the current. I equal electromotive force, E is the 12, right? It's given. So 12 over external, we found it 13.5 plus the internal is 0.4. Okay, I'm gonna use my calculator here. So 12 over 13.5 plus 0.4. I get 0.86 ampere. So the current is 0.86 ampere. Okay, so this is the current in the circuit, the total current, guys. Okay, now they want me to find the lost volts. The lost volts, of course, we know that the lost volts is the potential difference in the internal resistance. Okay, so it is the voltage in here. It's the voltage, we call it V small r, okay, to refer that it is inside the internal resistance. This is the lost volts, okay? And we know from before, any voltage, it is actually current multiple resistance. So it is the total current multiple the resistance R small, which is the internal, okay? So the total current we found it 0.86 multiple the internal resistance is 0.4. all right, so if I multiply, it's 0.345. so let me remove this, okay, sorry. So it equals 0.345. I will round it to 2 digits. I will have 35 volts. Okay, so this is the lost volts, or we call it internal potential difference or internal voltage. Okay, do I have a C? Oh yes, I have a C. Now they want potential difference and current in the 7 ohm resistor. Go back to the circuit. They want the current. Let me erase here everything just to focus on the part C of the question. Okay, so I'll change the color also to this one. Good. They want the current and voltage in this one. Okay, in the 7 ohm. Okay. We can find the voltage in the parallel combination. Okay, the voltage in the parallel is going to be the same voltage in R1 in here. Okay, I'll call it V1. So let's find the voltage in the parallel. It's actually the resistance in parallel okay, of the whole combination multiple the total current, because the total current, as you can see, it goes into the whole parallel combination, right? Multiple I. Fine. How much is RP? We found it before. It is this one. It's 3.5. So it's going to be 3.5 multiple the current. We just found it. It's 0.86. If I multiply these two, I will have, let me make sure, 3.5 multiple 0.86. I will get 3, almost 3, or let me be more accurate, it is actually 3.01, okay, volt. So this is the potential difference in the 7 here. Now they want the current also, this current I1, they want the current in the 7 ohm. We know from before, let me change the color here to blah blah blah, okay, this one. They want the current, so I1 is going to be V1 over R1. V1, it's this that we found, which is 3.01 over R1. How much is R1? It's 7, guys. It is 7. So the current will be, use my calculator, it's 0.43 ampere. Okay, so this is the current in the 7 ohm resistor. They are talking about this resistor. Okay, so these are parts A and B and C for question 34. I hope it's clear. If you have any question, please leave it under the video. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.